home and abroad, as we celebrate the joy and sacred meaning of Christmas, and as we prepare to welcome a new year filled with the promise of better days, I extend my warmest greetings to every Gambian. Ours is a nation of faith. We take pride in our religious diversity and our long-standing tradition of peaceful and harmonious coexistence. Virtually, every Gambian family includes both Christians and Muslims, and this shared heritage of tolerance remains one of our greatest national strengths. Christmas is a season that calls us to reflect. It reminds us of the enduring values of love, compassion, humility, and service to others. It is a time when families gather, communities reconnect, and we are encouraged to look beyond ourselves, to care for the vulnerable, the elderly, the sick, and those facing hardship. These values have always defined us as a people, and they must continue to guide us as a nation. As we reflect on the year now drawing to a close, we do so with a deep sense of discontent and disappointment. 2025 marked our nation's Diamond Jubilee, yet regrettably, no determined effort was made to transition the Gambia away from autocratic tendencies. No progress was achieved towards a new constitutional order, nor were there meaningful gains in good governance. In a world grappling with economic uncertainty, climate shocks, and geopolitical instability, the Gambia has continued to stagnate without confidence and without purpose. Rampant corruption, the high cost of living, and the poorly performing institutions remain the daily reality of the majority of Gambians. A UDP government will pursue a different path. We will invest heavily in housing, healthcare, education, infrastructure, and key growth sectors as part of a comprehensive vision to build a resilient, inclusive, and opportunity-rich Gambia. As leader of the opposition, I am acutely aware that development must be pursued responsibly and sustainably. We must protect our natural environment while advancing projects essential to national progress. Development and environmental stewardship are not opposing forces. They must go hand in hand, and the UDP government will ensure that they do. To our farmers, fisherfolk, public servants, healthcare workers, educators, police officers, entrepreneurs, and private sector partners, I say thank you. Your dedication, resilience, and daily contribution form the backbone of our nation. To our diaspora, your continuous support, advocacy, and investment remain invaluable. You are and will always be an integral part of the Gambian family. I extend special appreciation to our young people. You are the custodians of our nation's future. The UDP government will be firmly committed to creating opportunities through quality education, skills training, entrepreneurship, and meaningful employment, so that our youth can thrive here at home and are not forced to risk their lives on the back way. As we look forward to 2026, we do so with optimism and resolve. The UDP hopes that the new year will bring peace to our sub-region, particularly in Sudan and the Democratic Republic of Congo. On the home front, we expect the government to prioritize productive investments, meaningful reforms, and a serious focus on improving the quality of life of all Gambians. There will be challenges, but we will face them together, united, resilient, and confident in our shared destiny. Let us enter the new year with renewed faith in ourselves and in our country. Let us strengthen the bonds that unite us, extend kindness where it is needed, and recommit ourselves to building a Gambia that leaves no one behind. On behalf of my family and the entire membership of the United Democratic Party, I wish you a holy, peaceful, and joyous Christmas and a new year filled with good health, hope, prosperity, and God's blessing. May God continue to bless you, and may God bless the Republic of the Gambia.